This is our turnkey short path system, and I want to go over 4 principles of short path design and operation and how we applied them to this system. First up is vacuum in general, and specifically the manifold and the tubing. Tubing should be as short as possible, it's literally about 8 inches, and as large as possible. So this is the smallest part at 25 millimeters, but we quickly go up to 40 and even 50 millimeters for the manifold. So we have a really short, large vacuum path, and this makes a huge difference in the vacuum depth that's achieved inside the mantle where it really matters. Next up is the vacuum gauge and its placement. So we used a high accuracy convection enhanced Prioni gauge. These aren't cheap, but you do need a really good gauge that shows you that single micron precision, because you really should be shooting for that really low single micron depth, at least on your clean dry system. Once you start operating, it's going to go up a little bit, but you want to get that path really short and big so that the pump can do its work and hold that system down in the pressures that you want to be at. It's a massive difference. Next is the condenser. So this still goes back to vacuum. The shorter the path and the larger the diameter of the path between the evaporator and the condenser, the lower the pressure in the pot. You can't measure it as effectively, but it makes a huge difference if you have to go around a bend or if you have a very narrow neck. So again, big short path between the evaporator and the condenser. And here we actually have a stainless condenser with a huge condensation area that's coaxial with the vapor tube. So you have a really minimal pressure drop in the condenser itself. A second feature of not really the condenser, but of the condensate flow path is how you're collecting your distillate. So a lot of people use cows or a valve. All of those work, but having the outlet pump is just a really nice quality of life improvement because you can take as many fractions as you like and you don't have to commit to one fraction. You can keep taking those intermediate head fractions until you get a good main body. And then last is just operating. So in any short path, it's up to you to control the temperature of the boiling mantle. And obviously you want to have that heated top mantle too, so that you're not getting reflux, but making sure that you watch the head temperature and keep it stable and preferably slowly rising. Low and slow is not the way to go. You want to get through the chirping strip, have a slow transition, but once you hit main body, there's no reason to slow down. Keep that going fast and you'll be done in 6 hours or less, and you won't be spending 16 hours on a distillation. If you want more information, we have a full 4-part blog series on our website where you can read all of this in a lot of detail.